Hello and welcome to the new school year at BINUS School Simprug. My name is Mr. Aaron and I am absolutely delighted to welcome you to the school year and to look forward to an amazing year ahead. As soon as you come into the school, you're going to notice a lot of things have changed. We have our wonderful EY classrooms that have been completely refurbished, and that's extended up all the way through the PYP with new coats of paint, fresh looks, to make sure that our students really can focus on learning, be purposeful, and come to school confident that they can really do their best every day. We're also very happy that we're revamping the way that we care for our students, ensuring that our Pastoral Care Programme is the absolute best. We're making sure that our assemblies are more vibrant and exciting and engaging. We're making sure that our house system is used to create a sense of community within the students. And we're ensuring that our advisory lessons are purposeful in every way to make sure that students develop strong character. We're very, very excited about this year. Also, because we're going to be ensuring that our teaching and our learning is the very best possible. Using visible learning research to ensure that students are able to think deeply, that we're doing the right lessons at the right time, and that our students are progressing in a clear and sequential way all the way from EY1 through to grade 12. We're also making sure we use visible thinking routines to ensure that students take ownership of their learning, that they think deeply, that they really know what they're learning and why they're learning it, and they're able to then extend that into the future as well. So it's an exciting year here at the school. We are excited to work with parents as well and make them feel much stronger part of the community, because it's really us working together that's going to make the biggest difference in your child's life. So let's have a fantastic year, and I look forward to seeing you at the school soon.